Hello dear students, a very good morning to all of you. So in this video we are going to discuss about friction is necessary evil. So friction plays an important role in our daily life. In some cases friction is useful to us and we cannot do anything without it, and at the same time it is an evil in some cases because it results in the loss of energy and wear and tear of the surfaces. So friction is a necessary evil. Here I am going to discuss with you advantage of friction. Okay, so friction helps us to walk. How? The friction between our feet and the ground help us walk on the ground without slipping or falling. That means if friction is not there, means if friction is not between our feet and ground, we can slip or we can fall on the ground. Okay, so friction help us to walk. Next one is movement of vehicles. So here the friction between the tires of various vehicles like cars, trucks, bicycles and scooters and the ground helps move on the ground without slipping. In tires, friction is increased by making groups. You can see this type of groups present in tires, and it helps to increase friction, and due to greater friction the tires provide a better grip on the road, which prevents skidding of the vehicles, right? Next one is spiked shoes for better grip. So spikes are provided in the shoes of players and athletes to increase friction for the better grip on the ground and prevent slipping. Next one is writing work. So we are able to write because there is a friction between the tip of the pen or pencil and paper. Without friction, writing with a pen or pencil is not possible. Alright. Next one is application of brakes. So the brakes of a car or any moving vehicles depend upon friction. When we apply brakes, the car stop, right? Why the car stops? Due to force of friction between the brake and the wheel. Lighting of matchstick. So when you strike a matchstick against the rough surface of matchbox, it catch fire due to friction. Okay, and the next one is a screw and nails. You know that it is the force of friction which holds screw and nails in the wood. So these are the advantages of friction which help us to our day-to-day life. And with the help of these example we can conclude that friction plays an important role in our daily life. Now here's some disadvantages of friction. So damage to the machines. You know that when you rub your palm against each other, it generates some amount of heat due to friction between the palms, and when the moving part of the machines are rubbed together, a lot of heat is produced due to the friction between them. This heat can damage the machines gradually. Next one is wear and tear. So friction causes wear and tear of the parts of the machines in contact. Next one is loss of energy. So friction always opposes the relative motion between any two bodies in contact. Therefore extra energy is spent in overcoming friction. So energy is wasted to overcome the friction force. For example, if you want to speed up the bicycle, you have to cycle it faster, right? That means more energy is needed to overcome the frictional force. Next one is reduce the efficiency of machines, and some of the force applied to run a machine is wasted in overcoming the friction between its moving part, and this reduce the efficiency of the machines, and for this reason the efficiency of any machine is always less than 100%.